Murray homeowners experience a wide range of seasonal conditions throughout the year, from hot summer days to cold winter nights and everything in between. With these changes, having windows that can adapt and perform consistently is essential for maintaining comfort and efficiency. Double-hung windows are a popular choice because of their versatility, durability, and ability to handle shifting weather conditions with ease. Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes that slide vertically, allowing homeowners to control airflow in multiple ways. This flexible design plays a key role in how they perform across different seasons. Whether you need ventilation in the summer or insulation in the winter, double-hung windows offer a practical solution for year-round comfort. During Murray's warmer months, ventilation becomes a top priority. Double-hung windows excel in this area by allowing you to open both the top and bottom sashes simultaneously. This creates a natural airflow cycle where warm air escapes through the top while cooler air enters through the bottom. This process helps reduce indoor heat buildup and improves overall air circulation, making your home feel more comfortable without relying entirely on air conditioning. In addition to airflow, these windows help manage sunlight and heat gain. Modern double-hung windows are often equipped with energy-efficient glass, such as low-E coatings and insulated panes, which reduce the amount of heat entering your home. This means you can enjoy natural light without significantly increasing indoor temperatures, a valuable benefit during Murray's sunny summer days. When temperatures drop, double-hung windows continue to perform effectively by providing strong insulation. When closed, the sashes form a tight seal that helps prevent cold air from entering and warm air from escaping. This reduces drafts and keeps indoor temperatures more stable, allowing your heating system to operate more efficiently. In Murray's colder months, this insulation contributes to both comfort and lower energy costs. Another advantage is the ability to control ventilation even in cooler weather. Instead of fully opening the window, you can slightly adjust the top sash to allow stale air to escape without letting in too much cold air. This helps maintain indoor air quality while preserving warmth, making it easier to balance comfort and ventilation during transitional seasons like fall and spring. Murray's changing weather can also include wind and occasional storms, and double-hung windows are designed to handle these conditions. Their secure locking systems and durable frames provide stability and protection, helping prevent air leaks and water intrusion. High-quality materials such as vinyl or fiberglass resist warping and wear, ensuring the windows maintain their performance over time. Humidity and moisture control are also important in maintaining a comfortable home. Double-hung windows help reduce moisture buildup by promoting airflow when open and maintaining a tight seal when closed. This balance helps prevent issues like condensation, which can lead to mold or damage if not properly managed. Ease of maintenance is another benefit that supports long-term performance. Many double-hung windows feature tilt and sashes, making them easy to clean from inside your home. Regular cleaning and maintenance help ensure that seals remain effective and that the windows continue to operate smoothly throughout the year. Energy efficiency is a major factor in how well windows perform in a seasonal climate. Double-hung windows with modern features, such as double or triple pane glass and insulated frames, help reduce energy loss in both hot and cold conditions. This not only improves comfort but also lowers utility bills by reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems. Proper installation is essential to fully benefit from these features. A professionally installed double-hung window ensures that the frame is level, the seals are secure, and the window operates as intended. This prevents common issues such as drafts, leaks, or misalignment, which can affect performance in changing weather conditions. In addition to functionality, double-hung windows offer a classic and adaptable design that complements many home styles. Their balanced appearance and clean lines enhance both the interior and exterior of your home, adding to its overall appeal. In the end, double-hung windows are a reliable and versatile option for handling Murray's seasonal climate. Their ability to provide effective ventilation in the summer, Strong insulation in the winter, and consistent performance throughout the year makes them a smart investment. By combining comfort, efficiency, and durability, double-hung windows help create a home environment that adapts seamlessly to every season.